LeetCode POTD चैलेंज डे 5 ये क्वेश्चन पूछा गया अमेजॉन और एप्पल के इंटरव्यूज में, तो देखते हैं हम इसे कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। द क्वेश्चन इज लॉन्गेस्ट हार्मोनियस सबसीक्वेंस. We define a harmonious array as an array where the difference between its maximum value and its minimum value is exactly 1. Given an integer array nums, return the length of its longest harmonious subsequence among all its possible subsequences. The first example that we have is an array nums, and the output is 5 because we have an array 3, 2, 2, 2, 3 of length 5, which is a harmonious subsequence because the difference between its maximum and minimum value is 1. Now let's move on to the whiteboard. Harmonious array is an array where the difference between its maximum value and its minimum value is exactly 1. So from this statement we can have two conclusions. The first is that harmonious array will have only two unique elements because we have only integer values in the nums array, and the second is elements should be consecutive. So let's say if 3 is a part of a harmonious array, then either 2 or 1 should be a part of it and no other elements could be a part of that array. So we have two methods to solve this question. The first is to use a map to count frequencies of all the elements and then to maximize the frequency of x plus frequency of x plus equals to 1. Now this will take a time of O of n but also consume a space of O of n. We can optimize this further with a space complexity of O of 1 and a time complexity still of O of n while using a stack space of O of log n, with sorting this array and using two pointers or a sliding window to find the longest sub array with a difference of 1. Let's see this in a C++ solution. In the code, I've initially sorted this array and then I've used j as my left pointer and I as my right pointer to move my sliding window from left to right, and I'm checking if my extreme elements have a difference of greater than 1. In that case, I'm moving my left pointer towards right, and I'm also checking in an if statement if the difference between my extreme elements is equals to 1. In that case, I'm maximizing my max length, which is going to store my answer.